Imagine a kitchen where smoothies blend to silky perfection, dough kneads in seconds, and chopping veggies feels like a breeze. Sounds like a dream? Meet this Ninja Bn801 Professional Plus kitchen system, a 1,400-watt, multifunctional marvel that's here to transform your culinary game. Whether you're a busy parent, a health enthusiast, or a home chef craving versatility, this kitchen system is designed to make meal prep effortless, fast, and fun. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Ninja Bn801 is a must-have, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance. Let's blend, chop, and knead our way to kitchen greatness. Why the Ninja Bn801 stands out. The Ninja Bn801 Professional Plus kitchen system isn't just a blender. It's a full-fledged kitchen companion. With a sleek, modern design and a robust 1,400 peak watt motor, this system tackles everything from crushing ice to kneading dough with ease. Its Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of food prep, offering preset programs that deliver consistent results every time. Whether you're whipping up a nutrient-packed smoothie or prepping a family-sized batch of soup, the Ninja Bn801 has you covered. What makes it truly special? Its 5 versatile functions: smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, chopping, and dough mixing, combined with a variety of attachments, including a 72-ounce blender pitcher, a 64-ounce processor bowl, and 2 24 ounces to-go cups. This all-in-one system replaces multiple appliances, saving you counter space and time. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Solving your kitchen struggles. Let's face it, meal prep can be a hassle. Blenders that can't handle tough ingredients, food processors that leave uneven chunks, or mixers that struggle with dough. These are the frustrations the Ninja Bn801 eliminates. Problem: weak blenders that can't crush ice or blend fibrous veggies. The Ninja's total crushing blades and 1,400-watt motor pulverize ice into snow-like consistency and blend kale, carrots, and berries into smooth, chunk-free drinks. Problem: time-consuming chopping and prep work. The 8-cup precision processor bowl delivers even chopping and smooth purees, making salad prep or sauce creation a 30-second task. Problem: no time for homemade dough. The dough blade mixes up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds, perfect for pizza nights or fresh bread. Problem: on-the-go nutrition is hard to manage. The 2 24 ounces single-serve cups with spout lids let you blend and take your smoothies anywhere, keeping your healthy lifestyle on track. This kitchen system is designed for efficiency, tackling the toughest ingredients and the tightest schedules with ease. Key features and benefits. Here's a closer look at what makes the Ninja Bn801 Professional Plus kitchen system a game-changer. Powerful 1,400 peak watt motor. With 1,400 watts of professional power, this system crushes ice, blends tough ingredients, and kneads dough effortlessly. Say goodbye to underpowered appliances that leave you frustrated. Auto IQ technology. 5 preset programs: smoothie, ice crush, extract, chop, and dough, combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing for perfect results without guesswork. It's like having a sous chef in your kitchen. XL 72-ounce total crushing pitcher. Ideal for family-sized batches. This pitcher handles up to 64 ounces of liquid, perfect for smoothies, soups, or frozen cocktails. 8-cup precision processor bowl. From chopping veggies to pureeing dips, this bowl delivers consistent results for all your food prep needs. 2 24 ounces single-serve cups. Blend nutrient-rich smoothies directly in the cup, pop on the spout lid, and head out the door, perfect for busy mornings. Versatile blade system. Includes stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, chopping blade and dough blade for the processor bowl, and pro extractor blades for single-serve cups, ensuring you have the right tool for every recipe. Dishwasher-safe parts. All removable components, including blades, pitcher, bowl, and cups, are dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleaning. 30 recipe inspiration guide. Not sure where to start? The included guide offers creative ideas for smoothies, dips, doughs, and more. These features make the Ninja Bn801 a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly addition to any kitchen, whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef. Real-world performance. putting the Ninja Bn801 to the test. To give you a clear picture of what the Ninja Bn801 can do, let's dive into its performance across various tasks. Smoothies and nutrient extractions. I blended a green smoothie with kale, pineapple, and frozen berries using the single-serve cup. The Pro Extractor blades obliterated tough ingredients in under a minute, leaving a silky, seed-free drink packed with nutrients. The Auto IQ smoothie program made it effortless, no babysitting required. Ice crushing and frozen drinks. Using the 72-ounce pitcher, I crushed ice for a piña colada. The total crushing blades turned ice cubes into snow in seconds, creating a perfectly slushy texture that rivaled resort-style drinks. Chopping and food prep. The precision processor bowl handled a mix of zucchini, carrots, and onions for a pasta sauce base. The chop program delivered evenly diced veggies in just 16 seconds, saving me precious prep time. Dough mixing. I tested the dough blade with a pizza dough recipe. In 30 seconds, it folded ingredients into a smooth, elastic ball, ready for baking. No more hand kneading. Purees and dips. Blending a roasted red pepper hummus in the processor bowl resulted in a creamy, lump-free dip. The Auto IQ technology ensured consistent blending without overprocessing. The Ninja Bn801 delivers professional-grade results across the board, making it a reliable partner for any recipe. However, it's worth noting that it's not designed for hot blending, so let hot ingredients cool before processing to avoid damage. Who is the Ninja Bn801 for? This kitchen system is perfect for busy families. The XL pitcher is ideal for whipping up large batches of smoothies, soups, or desserts for the whole family. Health enthusiasts. The single-serve cups make it easy to blend nutrient-packed smoothies for on-the-go nutrition. Home chefs. From chopping veggies to kneading dough, the processor bowl and versatile blades handle a wide range of culinary tasks. Space savers. If you're tired of cluttered countertops, this all-in-one system replaces multiple appliances, streamlining your kitchen. Whether you're prepping meals for a crowd or blending a quick breakfast, the Ninja Bn801 adapts to your needs with ease. Pros and cons. Pros. Unmatched versatility. 5 functions and multiple attachments make it a blender, food processor, and dough mixer in one. Powerful performance. The 1,400-watt motor tackles tough ingredients like ice and fibrous veggies with ease. User-friendly. Auto IQ presets simplify blending and processing, even for beginners. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and stress-free. Portable convenience. Single-serve cups with lids are perfect for busy lifestyles. Cons. Bulky design. The system's multiple attachments require ample storage space. No hot blending. Not suitable for blending hot liquids, so cool soups before processing. Loud operation. Like most high-powered blenders, it's noisy during use, but the power is worth it. Why you should buy the Ninja Bn801. The Ninja Bn801 Professional Plus Kitchen System is a powerhouse that delivers professional-grade performance at a fraction of the cost of multiple appliances. Its 1,400-watt motor, Auto IQ technology, and versatile attachments make it a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing quality. Whether you're blending smoothies, chopping veggies, or kneading dough, this system handles it all with precision and ease. Plus, its dishwasher-safe design and portable cups make it as practical as it is powerful. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.